everybody, it's Jen on Acre by the Creek. We're here on 2 Minute Tuesday where I give you a gardening tip in less than 2 minutes, so let's just get right into it. Today we're going to be talking about hardening off your plants, and I have 6 questions to answer for you.
What is plant hardening? Hardening off your plants simply means exposing transplants gradually to outdoor conditions such as sun, wind, and rain. Why do I need to harden my plant? Hardening off your plants enables your transplants to be able to withstand the changes in environmental conditions they will face when planted outside in the garden. It encourages firmer, harder growth. How can I harden my plants off? To harden off your plants, take them out of your greenhouse or where you are keeping them indoors and expose them to the outdoors. Gradually extend the amount of time you are leaving your plants outside. To begin, you want to start with 2 to 3 hours of exposure, working up to leaving your plants outside all day long. If the conditions are getting harsh or if you have met the time for the day, bring your plants back under shelter. You want to repeat this process every day for 1 to 2 weeks. Do I need to harden at night? Once your plants have been hardening off for several days, you want to begin exposing them to nighttime conditions. You will follow the same process of gradually leaving them out later and later. Just be careful and watch nighttime temps closely, as tender plants do not fare well with cold weather. Beware of temperatures 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Do I have to harden off my plants? The simple answer is no. You don't have to harden your plants off. But if you choose not to, your plant's growth can be stunted as it recovers from the shock of being transplanted without hardening off, and some plants may not recover if the shock was too great. A rainstorm rolled in, so everything is back in the greenhouse safe and sound until tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys next time.